A nearly year-long project to renovate and expand the University of Arkansas System Division of Agriculture's Soil Testing and Research Laboratory got underway September 19th, with ground being broken for the new facility. The facility's receiving and laboratory buildings will be replaced with new and larger ones, and existing office wing will be improved. Mark Cochran, UA System Vice President for Agriculture, emphasized that the laboratory will not shut down during construction, but will continue to provide its usual services during the construction. Cochran addressed a crowd of the laboratory's supporters who gathered for a ceremony in Marianna.
Our soil test analysis has really been one of our fundamental services that we've provided the state. It's so essential in terms of proper fertility management for making sure that our crops and our plants have the necessary nutrients that they need to grow. But there's also a component that we want to make sure that we've got the appropriate balance with environmental stewardship.
The construction project will enable the lab's dedicated and experienced staff to expand the facility's capacity to handle up to 54,000 samples per month on a 14-hour workday shift. It also will enable a more efficient flow so that the results can be returned to the clients within 3 weeks of the samples arriving in the laboratory.
It is much needed. As already been mentioned, we've seen tremendous changes in technology and management practices that have really changed the outlook for what could be accomplished here, and having this lab is going to be a valuable asset to farmers.
The building that is being replaced and remodeled was constructed in the early 1950s with an annual capacity of 27,000 samples a year, which increased to 40,000 samples following a remodeling in the 1980s.
Currently, there are months that we have to handle 45,000 samples per month, and that has led to some inefficiencies. We think that with the new facility, we can provide more efficient and faster service to Arkansas farmers and homeowners.
For more than 65 years, the program has provided free, statewide testing of soil samples submitted through the Cooperative Extension Service county offices. The laboratory provides customized reports on soil nutrient levels and recommendation for fertilizer and lime applications for the desired use and location.
What we're really looking for from the new lab is to be able to, during those very busy months when we're receiving lots of soil samples, be able to put a large number of samples through the lab in a very short period of time.
The construction will be conducted in phases to allow the laboratory staff to continue providing soil testing services during the project.
And we'll completely renovate the existing building to provide greater energy efficiency, newer mechanical systems, better lighting, newer finishes. And at the end of August of 2014, everyone's back in again and operational, but we've never shut down lab operations during the entire period.
State Representative Reginald Murdoch of Marianna, who is also the president of Murdoch Enterprises, expressed his gratitude for the economic impact the expanded lab will have on the Marianna area.
The Delta always needs to see these type projects, and when the money can stay home to some degree, then it's always good for us in our area.
When the project is finished in August of 2014, there will be 6,540 square feet of new building for a total of 14,820 square feet of new and renovated space.